Hello friends, welcome to my channel VENUSTECHPULSE. Today I am going to explain you a Java program. Suppose the Java program is write a class program in Java with the following specification. Class name stat and the data members are int a array to contain 10 integers, double aim to store mean of 10 numbers, double sd to store deviation of mean, and the member function and the member functions are like stat, where to initialize array a, aim and sd. Okay, next double mean, which is another member function to find the mean of 10 numbers, and void dev, that is deviation, to where we have to calculate the deviation to print deviation of each number from the mean by using the formula sd is equal to array minus mean value, array minus mean. Okay, so let's start our program. Import java.util.star. This is the header file of Java. Okay, we have to use in every program. Next we are starting with class stat, stat, and the data members are private int array a, which holds 10 numbers. In the second constructor declaration we will declare the 10 array. Private double m, which function is such a mean of integers. Private double sd, deviation from mean. Okay, deviation from mean value. Okay, next we are declaring the constructor. How you are going to recognize the constructor? Say public stat, the constructor name is same as here, the constructor name public stat same as the class name. Okay, then it is a constructor. Now we are initializing the array. Initialize array with with value 10. A is equal to new int 10. That means here we are going to initialize 10 integers. M is equal to 0.0 because we have declared m as double. Initialize mean. SD is equal to 0.0. Initialize deviation, which is also our double data type variable. Okay. Next we are our task is method to calculate the mean of the integers. So public double mean. Okay, see the member function already we have explained. Here we have taken mean, double mean, where int sum is equal to 0. We are declaring sum is equal to 0. Now for int num dot semicolon a, that means from num to a, that means the number from array. Okay, sum is equal to sum plus num, that means the sum will be added. The sum is 0 plus num, the num will come with sum, add with the sum. To calculate the sum of array element we have to write this formula. Okay, we have to write this such a formula. We have to write this formula, calculate the sum of the array. Now we have to find out the mean. M is equal to double of sum divided by a dot length. That means the length will be the length is going to divide the sum, and we are going to calculate the mean and return aim. That means we are going to return aim. Aim means the mean value. Return mean. Next method to read integer into the array. Public void read numbers. We are taking scanner class as sc is equal to new scanner system.in. We are creating object of scanner class, that is sc. By using sc we are going to call the object. Okay, we are going to call the object. Suppose system.out.println enter 10 numbers. Now we are going to input 10 numbers. For int I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length. A means here we have declared a as array of length, a dot length. I plus minus means it will increment 1 plus 1 value. A of I is equal to sc dot next int. A of I is equal to sc dot next int. Read integer from user. Read integers from user. Okay. Now method to print deviation of each number. How? Public void dev. Yes, we have already declared dev in the member function. We have used void dev. System.out.println mean plus m means here mean will be first printed. Okay. Then system.out.println deviation of from mean, that means deviation of mean will be printed here. For int num colon a means from num to a array, all the numbers array element will be first read. SD means deviation is equal to number minus m, deviation from the mean calculation. Now we are going to use system.out.println deviation of percent mean, and 2f means here 2f means float, n means for number the number. Okay. SD num here is 2f and SD. Okay. Print num and SD means deviation will be printed. Okay. Now the last part. What is the last part? Public static void main string args. We are creating object of the stat class. Stat obj is equal to new stat. Create an object of class stat. Obj dot read num, that means read numbers into array. Here obj dot read numbers into array. Obj dot mean calculate mean, and obj dot reverse. Okay. I think this program will help you to solve the problem of constructor as well as member function, and how to declare members, data members, everything. And in some school, in projects, the school has given this type of program, so it will be very useful for the children. And if you go through my video, I have already given you the comment line along with the program, and also at last the variable list. I will show you the variable list. Okay. The variable list is, see, the variable is variable name, variable data type and description. A array, that it is int array declaration. M is for double to calculate mean value. SD is a variable name, data type is double to calculate and store the deviation value. I is a data variable or variable name, data type is integer, looping variable. So friends, I have already given you the program along with comment line and also the variable list. Okay. Now please like my channel, share my channel, and please subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you friends.